Good afternoon, LC people. Yeah, Dave's been working on the wiring. I've got to extend the wire that goes up from the switch, you know, from the loom. That's an LC switch, not an F2 one, so the harness is about 6 inches short. So I've got bits and bobs to do with the wiring, but I think the main thing was really, what I wanted to do today is figure out where everything was going to go. So the servo's got bolted on there, the coil's got bolted on, they're all in the right places. Yeah, they don't interfere with the petrol tank. I've kept altering about that until I get it where I wanted it. Yeah, quite happy up to now. But yeah, Darth Vader will have to stay off for now. Because it is the dark side once more, you know. Heavy breathing, 60 fags a day. You know how Darth was. Well, I got the new petrol tank down. The yamtes badge has gone on it. It's going to look nicer when it's done. All I'm going to do now is put the tank and the seat on it, and that's it. I'm done till the new year. So this will be your final video of the yamtes project, part 8. Wiring, fitted the parts. Thanks for watching. Have a great time. Dilly dilly.